Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Ghost of Tabor, and we're gonna be camping in this map. We're just gonna be camping.
Yep. That's my flipping bag.
Yeah.
Sorry, I had like a sword throw, so you know, it slips out, you know. Sword throw.
Yeah.
It's caused by too much stress.
We're not technically, we're just gonna be camping.
Well, we're at our camping spot right now.
Good camper.
Don't die, please. I swear to God, you'd die. I might swear to flipping God, you'd die. Man, dang darn, bro. If only Burnt Peanut was still alive, you know?
Burnt Peanut? You mean Ducky?
Ducky, Burnt Peanut, same thing. Where are you?
I'm over here. You don't know where I am?
Do you know how easy? Do you know how easy it? Yeah, oh my God! You know how easy it was to kill you? Oh my God! Goo goo gaga, alright?
Goo goo gaga.
I don't hear suppress, sadly. Oh?
You want to go camp?
I hear suppress.
Dang it! You want to go camp somewhere in a corner somewhere?
Well, I'm in a corner. Hi. Hi. Well, I see you. Well, you didn't crashing. Now you're walking away. You're walking away. Come back. Come back. Come back. Oh, thank you. I can probably stick my hand through this. I can. Hey, can you give me something? Wait, come back. I need something. Come here. Oh, my hand's kind of stuck. Oh no. Well,
how'd you get down there?
I went through the wall. Duh.
So we're glitching.
So this kid player's that way. Here, shh, listen. You suck with grenades. You wasted it. They're that way, not like they're right around the corner.
That's a smoke. Look how many smokes I have. Yo.
Our grenade escape. They're not right there. They're towards that way.
I'm just smoking it out, okay. Making us a clear path so we can actually move. So we don't get killed by kids.
Kinda smoky out here, bro. Who's been vaping?
Yeah.
Dude, no, some gated player's gonna come over here, look over there, and you're like, what's happening? Alright, well.
Someone like hotboxing.
God, love that chicken from Popeyes. I know where the kid players are. I'm outside. You throw one right next to me.
Oh my gosh, there's just a giant cloud.
Where are you? Oh, what's up?
Tell me if you find more nades.
They're right behind us.
They are?
I hear. Did you have a grenade? You heard that. Any direction near me. I'm going to find where you live. I'm only to dox you. Alright?
Huh? Watch out.
Better watch out. Better. Hey, I see one. Or I see someone in the tent. Alright, I'm gonna switch to my G-Fish.
Watch this. Oh! I flashed him. Nice. I think the one was flashed.
Yeah, but I gotta get bandages.
Please do not forget to store
Alright, just bro.
in the appropriate areas.
Horrible throw, bruh. I'm checking my headset because
Can't see me.
wait, did you get his gun? Because he had an AW. I'm pretty sure he had an AWM-8P.
His buddy or his the dude? That's
The person that killed me. Who's that kid right there?
That's the kid I killed. That's his buddy.
Oh. Bad Bunny, yum.
Don't want to take kind of a pee-pee. I don't see his buddy no more. Did I kill him? I don't know. I don't want to mess around and find out.
Mess around and find out, boy. I can tell because he was just like sitting there. He was just like he knew you were gonna be going around the corner. He was like doing the do-do, 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 do-do.
My heart's kind of.
I'm gonna go naked honey badger. Naked honey badger.
I could go kitted spear.
Kitted spear.
Mhm.
But what about the camping?
You know, I have a better idea. Naked.
Mhm. Do-do, do-do, do-do.
They would never know what hit them with this gun.
300 blackout. No, that's not 300 blackout.
It's not working, bro. Weird.
Do-do. Do-do. Do-do.
No.
Do-do.
I turned the corner. Ice. Bro, that was not a fair fight, bro.
That would have scared me too.
You watched it happen, alright?
Yeah, I did watch that.
I screamed, dude. Oh my god, no, that was like top 10 most scary things that happened to me.
Top 10.
Why are these kids using tracers in their gun, bro?
Da-da. 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 Da-da.
No.
Who do you think I'm gonna kill with this honey badger?
Nobody! Who do you think I'm gonna kill this M249?
M249?
Yeah.
M249 fall?
Yeah.
Like the LMGG?
Yeah.
I don't have no mag with my gun. Where'd my mag go?
Alright, well, start it.
I don't have a mag. Hold on.
Start it. It has this as a certain person.
Oh,
It takes
that's
me
right here.
Cool. How many times have I done this? 12, 2, 4, 6, 8. Ah, I gotta do it.
Next raid. Next raid.
Didn't get that on camera, right?
I'm recording, so.
So, were you watching your screen when I got jump scared?
Yeah, I'm going to like rewind it keep rewinding it to where you're like
Man, that was one hacking time of a thing. So, your screen's black for me.
da-da, da-da.
So, why is your screen black?